Imagine an animal that never truly dies of old age. It grows up, becomes an adult, and reproduces. Then, instead of growing older, it turns back into a baby and starts life all over again, potentially forever. It sounds like science fiction, yet it is real. A tiny jellyfish in our oceans escapes aging itself. Scientists call this unique creature Turritopsis dohrnii. It is the closest thing on Earth to biological immortality. How can this tiny creature reverse the flow of time? Everything alive in our world follows the same path. Birth, growth, reproduction, aging, and eventually death. From the smallest insects to the largest elephants. Nature has followed this cycle for billions of years. Even giant blue whales eventually grow old and fade. This rule of life has always seemed completely universal. Until scientists discovered one jellyfish that refused to follow. Instead of reaching its end, it simply starts over. The immortal jellyfish is surprisingly small in size. Its bell measures only about half an inch across. From the smallest insects to the largest elephants. You could easily mistake it for other drifting creatures. But when this tiny creature becomes injured or starved, or when it experiences severe environmental stress, something absolutely extraordinary begins to happen. From the smallest insect dying, its body begins to transform. You could easily mistake it for other drifting creatures. Not into another adult, but back to its youth. It is as if time itself is running backward. To understand this, we must look at its cycle. From the smallest insect dying, its body begins its existence as a tiny swimming larva for other drifting creatures. The larva settles and becomes a polyp colony. Eventually, the polyp releases young, free-swimming jellyfish. For almost every other species, that is one way.
From the smallest insect dying.
But Turritopsis dohrnii completely breaks all these rules. An adult can transform back into a polyp colony. And then begin growing all over again from scratch. It is like watching a butterfly become a caterpillar.
From the smallest in dying.
The secret lies deep inside its microscopic cells. Normally, once cells specialize, their roles are locked. A muscle cell stays a muscle cell forever.
from the smallest ends dying.
But this jellyfish performs a process called transdifferentiation. Its mature cells change directly into completely new types. Muscle cells can transform back into young tissue.
From the smallest ends dying. Instead of repairing damage, it rebuilds its body.
Scientists are still trying to understand how this works. However, calling this creature immortal can be misleading. The tiny jellyfish is not impossible to kill.
From the smallest ends dying. Eat them easily.
Disease and ocean pollution can still destroy them. But if nothing kills it, aging has no limit. It can repeat its life cycle over and over.
When researchers first observed this, they were shocked.
No animal was supposed to reverse its own aging. But repeated scientific experiments confirmed the impossible. This discovery challenged biology's oldest, most basic assumptions. Perhaps aging is not as irreversible as we believed. Could humans one day reverse their own aging too? Our complex bodies make resetting cells nearly impossible. But it could help us understand how to regenerate. Nature still holds incredible secrets far beyond our imagination.